Intro, 0 to 1 o'clock, every generation has the power to change the world. And today, it is the youth who carry the responsibility of shaping tomorrow. The question is, how do you prepare yourself for a future full of challenges, opportunities, and responsibilities? The answer is simple but powerful: knowledge is power. What you know, how you apply it, and how disciplined you are will determine who you become. Part 1. The power of defining goals, 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. No one ever achieved greatness by walking without direction. A clear goal is the foundation of success. Take time to write down your dreams. What do you want to achieve in the next year? In the next 5 years? Even the smallest dream becomes possible when you give it structure and commitment. Remember, goals turn invisible wishes into visible results. Part 2. Using technology wisely, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Today's youth have the world at their fingertips. With a single phone, you can access libraries, lectures, and skills that can transform your life. But remember, technology is a double-edged sword. If you use it only for entertainment, you lose precious time. If you use it for learning and growth, you create opportunities that no one can take away from you. Part 3. Learning every day, 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Every single day is a chance to grow. Read a book, listen to a podcast, practice a new skill, even if it's just for 10 minutes. Imagine if you learned something new every day for a whole year. That's 365 new lessons shaping your life. Knowledge is not something you wait for in school alone. It is a lifelong treasure, and every effort you make adds to your strength. Part 4. Discipline and consistency, 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Motivation starts the journey, but discipline keeps you moving when motivation fades. Success doesn't come from big actions once in a while, it comes from small, consistent habits done every single day. Wake up early, stay focused, and stick to your plan even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and your achievements. Part 5. The power of the right friends, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Show me your friends, and I will show you your future. The people you spend most of your time with shape your character, your mindset, and your future. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be better. Stay away from those who pull you down or waste your time. Your circle matters, choose it wisely. Part 6. Taking action, 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Knowledge without action is wasted potential. Don't just keep planning, start doing. Take small steps every day toward your goals. Action creates momentum, and momentum creates results. Remember, you don't need to see the whole staircase to take the first step. Just begin, and the path will reveal itself. Part 7. Overcoming fear and doubt, 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Fear is natural, but fear should never control your future. Many young people fail before they even start because they doubt themselves. Replace fear with courage, replace doubt with belief. Remind yourself that failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of the journey. Learn from your mistakes, grow stronger, and keep moving. Part 8. Believing in yourself, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. The strongest foundation for success is self-belief. You must believe you are capable before anyone else can. Speak positive words to yourself every day. Visualize your future and walk with confidence. The world belongs to those who dare to believe in their own potential. Outro, final motivation, 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Youth, the future is in your hands. Don't wait for opportunities, create them. Don't just dream about success, work for it. Learn every day, use your time wisely, surround yourself with the right people, and take action without fear. Because in the end, knowledge is not just information, it is the power that will guide you, protect you, and shape your destiny. Right finger keep following Inkomeza TV for more motivational and life-changing content. Your future starts now.